Okay, so we need to transpose each of the following equations so that x here is the subject. So what that means is it's got to be in the format x equals ... whatever that is. First one, we've got y equals m plus x. Okay, so x over here is with this term m, but we want x by itself. So what we can do is we can take away m off that side, and we also have to take away m off that side. Now I'm going to rewrite the equation. So it'll be y take m is equal to, on this side we've got plus m minus m. So when we combine them together, they cancel out to 0. And then whatever's left is just x. So we've got y take m equals x. And if we swap the other way around, we could write x equals y take m. And that's how we transpose so that we make x the subject. Let's have a look at the next one. So this one, we've got 3a equals x take 2b. All right, on the side with the x here, we've also got a minus 2b. So if we added 2b to that, it'll cancel it out. So let's do the same to both sides of the equation. So I'm going to add 2b to that side, and I'm going to add 2b to this side. And that's going to give us 3a plus 2b on this side is the same as x take 2b plus 2b is just x. And once again, we'll write it the other way around with x on the left-hand side so that we've got our x as the subject. This last one, we've got x on the right-hand side, and it's with two other terms. It's with plus w and it's with minus 3y. So what we're going to do is we're going to reverse those terms one by one. Let's start with the w. So I've got a positive w on this side, so I'm going to reverse that by minusing w from this side, which means I have to minus w from this side as well. And then that's going to give us z plus 8 minus w equals, now we've got w and negative w, so those two are going to cancel each other out, and we're leaving us just with x take 3y. All right, next step is we want to reverse this negative 3y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3y to this side, and I'm going to add 3y to this side. So that's the same. Then I will rewrite the terms. So we've got z plus 8 take w plus 3y equals x. And then rewriting it so that we've got x equals, so we're making x the subject, x equals z plus 8 take w plus 3y. And that's my answer.